Do you know why Singapore is called Singapura, the Lion City? Today I shall tell you the story. Listen carefully. A long, long time ago, there was a prince. A prince. Say it with me. Prince. Good. His name was Sang Nila Utama. Sang Nila Utama was a prince from far away. One day, the prince went on a boat. A boat. Say it with me. Boat. Excellent. The prince went on a boat on the sea. Oh no! A storm! A storm. Say it. Storm. Fantastic. The wind was strong. The rain was heavy. The prince was scared. But look! He saw an island. An island. Say it with me. Island. Very good. The prince went to the island. He was safe. Then the prince saw an animal. A big animal. A strong animal. It looked like a lion. A lion. Say it. Lion. Fabulous. The prince said, "Wow, this island has a lion." So he gave the island a name. In Malay, Singa means lion, Pura means city. Singapura. Singapura, Lion City. This is the name of Singapore. Okay, let's practice. Say it with me. Prince. Boat. Storm. Island. Lion. Excellent. Now let's make sentences. The prince was on a boat. Can you say it? Wonderful! A storm came. Say it. Very good. He saw a lion on the island. Can you say it? Fantastic. It's quiz time. Are you ready? What was the name of the prince? Sang Nila Utama? Very good. What animal did he see? A lion! Wonderful! What does Singapura mean? Did you say Lion City? Fantastic! You got them all right. Next time, I shall tell you who came to Singapore and changed everything. Now, don't forget, like, follow, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!